So the goal of this video is to show the before and after results of our low beam LED light conversion. The original H7 bulbs that we were using are Silver Star Ultra. They're considered one of the brightest bulbs for the H7 model, and the headlight conversion kit that we got is from Headlight Experts. So obviously this video is not meant to be the most accurate representation of what these bulbs look like. What we did is we dialed the camera into what it looks like to our eye, and as you can see here on the road, you can actually see the background of the casino's lights look very similar in both pictures. Hopefully this video helps with anyone who's been kind of on the fence on whether or not to do this LED conversion kit. I highly recommend it. It's probably one of the better upgrades that we've done, considering we live in the van full time still, and it gives us more peace of mind when we're driving on back roads and potentially running into wild animals. Hopefully you're all doing well. Stay safe, be brave, and see you in the next video.